Guys, so it's day 2 on our pond bill. Today we're gonna concentrate on putting our lining and setting up our little waterfall. Then we are I got my girlfriend some flowers. Hopefully she trusts me where to put it or she's gonna do it. Well, we just gonna go ahead and start working on this thing on this pond, getting it done. So let's do it, guys. Alright, so you want to concentrate on putting some of the flowers where they go?
Where do you want the flowers?
You can do some right there, this way. You can do a pattern there, and you can do a couple of them there,
Against the
and like
fence?
this way. No, honey, like, like here, like this. You can do whatever pattern you want.
Yeah, but aren't the leaves over there?
That's why I put dirt. You can move it, the dirt. It should be fine.
Okay.
And then you can do it from here to like here, whatever you want. You can mix them up. No, Alright, so we are ready to lay the lining down. While she's doing that, I was doing a little bit of stuff around, fixing around. Got it all done. Rocking my Paul Capetta shirt. Um, yeah, we're gonna lay there. We're gonna lay this puppy out now. My love. Would you like to get in here? Yeah, okay. Ready to go. I think this one, bring that in here. Just hold it. Okay, right there. Got it? Wait, hold it. Hold it.
Stay back there. Hold it.
Alright, so we got our pond lining in. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill it up with water, and then I guess I'll work on the waterfall on everything when I cut all this out and figure what am I doing with it. So right now we're just gonna fill it up, and we take it once it's filled up, take it from there. Alright guys, so here's our water going in now. We're just gonna wait for this. Oh, what's that? We're just gonna fill it up, wait till the water is completely filled up, and we take it from there. So once it's filled up, I get back to you guys. The pond is almost filled up, so that means I can start cutting it. So let's go ahead and do that. Sorry, I'm recording by myself, so I gotta make sure you guys see me. So those pieces left, we're gonna use for our waterfall. We're gonna have that piece in a little corner over here, that stay like that. We're gonna figure this out because it's my first time only, but we're gonna figure it out. So far, it's looking great. By the way, what you guys think? What you guys want to see in this pond? Drop it on the comment. Let me know what you guys think. So the pond is almost completely full, guys. I am so happy. This is gonna look so great. Look at it from this way. That looks pretty amazing, pretty cool. Alright guys, so that's all the time that I have for that part of that video. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos so far. I mean, I had a lot of fun building the pond for you guys. So I got one more part coming for you guys, and then I'll be putting other plants, putting the rocks, doing everything that I can to make this pond look beautiful for you guys. Once again, thank you for watching. Love you guys, and see you on the next one. Peace.